How to pair Phantom GoGo Scooter. Follow these instructions. Fully charge your scooter and power it on by holding the main button until the LED lights turn blue. Download the GoGo Connect app from Google Play or App Store to ensure compatibility with your scooter model. Turn on Bluetooth from your phone settings and keep it close to the scooter for a stable connection. Open the app, register or log in, then tap Search Device or Pair New Scooter from the home screen. Select your scooter from the list when it appears and tap Pair or Bind to start the Bluetooth connection. Wait a few seconds while pairing completes. The app will show battery, speed, and scooter info if successful. Test features like cruise control or speed settings from the app to confirm that pairing is fully working. Thank you for watching.